Hey, Alex here, and today, this video, I will answer this question. How to get a 30, 60, 90-day Shopify free trial? Thanks for watching this video, and please stay until the end. I have a surprise for you. You may already know that Shopify can offer different free trial periods for new merchants signing up with the platform. So how many days can you get from Shopify free trial in 2022? This video was created to give you the most accurate and updated information about Shopify free trials in different lengths of time, including the 30, 60, and 90-day trials. Also, we will guide you on how to get the most out of your free trial and answer all the questions regarding Shopify free trial. First, I want to share with you some exciting news. In October 2022, Shopify is offering a 50% discount on the yearly subscription of Basic, Shopify, and Advanced plans, which only applies to stores in the U.S. and Canada. After your free trial ends, you can save big by purchasing a yearly subscription. Hurry up, since this promotion won't be there for long. Also, in the description of this video, you will find a link to start an almost free trial of Shopify for only $1 per month for 3 months. So, only $3 for 3 months. Hurry up. Click the link in the description. These offers are not eternal. Let me summarize all the different Shopify free trials, including 44, 60, and 90 days. The 14-day Shopify free trial is always available. The 21-day trial is not available anymore. 44 days is an exclusive offer from Shopify partners. The 60 days free trial is not publicly available. The 90 days free trial was only available during the COVID-19 outbreak, but Shopify actually offers a trial for 3 months, for only $1 per month. You will find a link in the description of this video. Is it normal if I see a trial shorter than 14 days being offered? If you see a free trial shorter than 14 days, don't panic, since it can actually be a good thing. The Shopify team loves to test different offers, and when they do so, you may find a 3-day or 7-day Shopify trial. But it often comes with a bonus to compensate for the shorter period. For example, you may be eligible for a much lower price on select plans after signing up, which is even better than the default 14-day free trial. How does the Shopify free trial work? After signing up for a Shopify free trial, you'll get 14 days, by default, to play around with your demo store. You will be able to set up your Shopify store and test some basic features. However, you need to choose a paid plan before you can start selling products or services. You won't lose any of the work you did on your store during the trial if you decide to go with a premium plan. Charge any cost until your free trial ends, even when picking a plan while still in the middle of the trial. If you do not subscribe to a monthly plan, your store will be suspended at the end of the free trial, and you don't need to do anything to cancel your Shopify account. The good news is that you will not be charged for anything, but keep in mind that you won't be able to continue working on your store until you purchase a paid plan. In short, signing up for a Shopify free trial costs you nothing unless you decide to go with a paid plan, and it allows you to set up your store, test Shopify features, and decide whether Shopify is right for you. Start your free trial now by clicking the link in the description of this video. How long is the Shopify free trial in 2022? The default Shopify free trial is always 14 days. No more. But I know many of you are expecting this, but the Shopify trial period can be extended depending on your country, your selected partner, and, most importantly, Shopify promotions. There are some special occasions when the trial period can last up to 44, 60, or 90 days, for example, during the COVID-19 pandemic. If you want to know more about the different lengths of the Shopify free trial, just scroll down to continue reading. Actually, Shopify offers 3 months for $1 per month to start your business online. This is a unique opportunity to start your online shop without stress. Click the link in the description to know more about this offer. Shopify 14-day trial. The 14-day trial is considered the standard Shopify trial. You will get access to the fundamental Shopify features to evaluate the platform before subscribing to a paid plan. You can also install thousands of useful apps from the Shopify App Store to unlock your store's capabilities. There's no credit card required to sign up for the 14-day Shopify trial. Simply enter your email address, store name, and password to begin. Don't worry if you haven't chosen a perfect store name yet, since you can always change your store name and domain later. Start your free trial now by clicking the link in the description of this video. What happens after 14 days of free trial on Shopify? So here's what happens after the Shopify free trial. If you haven't chosen a premium plan yet, your store will be paused by Shopify. But you can always continue your work by subscribing to a monthly plan. There are 4 options. Shopify Starter used to be Shopify Lite, selling products on your current website or social media sites and paying as little as $5 per month. The basic Shopify plan costs $29 per month in addition to a 2.9% plus 30 cents USD transaction fee for credit cards. Shopify has a monthly fee of $79, in addition to the credit card rate of 2% plus 30 cents USD. The advanced Shopify plan costs $299 monthly and 2.4% plus 30 cents USD credit card rate per online transaction. Shopify also offers an enterprise plan called Shopify Plus, which begins at around $2,000 per month. Shopify 21-day trial. The 21-day Shopify trial was offered a long time ago. There's no point in searching the web for this trial version as Shopify has stopped providing it ever since. Shopify 30-day free trial. In the past, new merchants would get a 30-day trial immediately after signing up for a Shopify account. But back in 2019, Shopify removed this 1-month free trial and replaced it with a current 14-day. However, sometimes Shopify may run promotions which give you access to a longer trial. You can do a quick check by visiting their free trial landing page. Visit Shopify's free trial page by clicking the link in the description of this video. Shopify 44-day trial. You may have heard about a 44-day Shopify free trial, but let me tell you what it really is. It's not an actual trial, however, you can indeed try Shopify free for 44 days by combining the default 14-day trial with Shopify's 30-day refund policy. The thing is, currently, there's no such refund policy since Shopify updated their terms of service a long time ago. Then, there comes a special promotion that lets people try Shopify free for 14 days and pay only $1 for the first month, which, in total, is still 44 days. Unfortunately, as of July 2022, Shopify has stopped this promotion. But you can always use the link in the description to check if there are any special promotions at the moment. Shopify 60-day free trial. Back in 2019, Shopify launched a comprehensive marketing campaign, during which it offered free trials of varying lengths via a group of select partners. These partners then shared the exclusive deal with their customers, so it's not publicly available. The 60-day Shopify trial was a product of that campaign. In 2022, the 60-day, 2-month Shopify free trial is no longer available. Or maybe it's still there, but only accessible for a specific group of customers. Wait, what about the 90-day Shopify free trial? Anyway, 90 days is still better than 60 days, right? Well, let's see. Shopify 90-day free trial. As a part of Shopify COVID-19 response, the Shopify 90-day trial was launched not long after the initial outbreak of the pandemic. During the height of COVID-19, many brick-and-mortar businesses struggled a lot, and moving to the online space became a must for them. That's why the 90-day Shopify free trial was extremely well accepted at that time. However, on June 1st, Shopify stopped the 90-day free trial and returned to the standard 14-day trial. So you can't get it anymore in 2022. Constantly update the link in the description to notify you in case Shopify offers a longer trial. Or you can see for yourself by checking their free trial page. If Shopify is running a special offer, it will be featured there. How to extend my Shopify free trial? Sign up for an extended Shopify trial. There's not much you can do to extend your Shopify free trial unless you've signed up with an extended trial in the first place. However, this kind of offer is usually not public and is only available for a very limited time. It's not there all year round. Shopify promotions come and go, you know. Click on the link in the description to check for the latest offer from Shopify. Work with a Shopify development partner to get an unlimited free trial. The second way to get a Shopify free trial extension is by joining up with a Shopify development partner. These partners can help you set up your store in the development mode, allowing you to try out as many different features, themes, and applications as you like before really launching your store. Well, you can say that it's an unlimited Shopify free trial. But is it really free? They say there's no such thing as a free lunch, you know. And, of course, this does not come without a cost. You can test as long as you like until you're pleased with the platform. No need to pay a Shopify subscription. But to use the partner services, you have to pay them. And it's usually not cheap at all. So, if you want to extend the Shopify free trial in an economical way, this is definitely not the solution. Reach out to Shopify's support team. Shopify may give you an extended free trial so long as you provide a compelling reason for them to do so. You will need to contact Shopify's customer support team, give them the URL of your store, and explain why you wish to extend your Shopify free trial period. How to get the most out of your free trial? Let's face it, there's not much you can do to control the length of your Shopify trial period. So instead of relentlessly searching for the most extended trial, let's switch our focus to how to get the most out of your Shopify free trial. Here is a checklist to get you started. Try adding a few products or services and product descriptions to your online store. Make sure that they appear according to the way you want. Create product categories, collections, to help your customers find them more easily. Set up Shopify payments and check whether Shopify supports the payment method you want to use. Learn how to arrange taxes, shipping, and other sales channels by becoming familiar with the settings page in your Shopify account's admin section. Make sure to visit the Shopify theme store and the Shopify app store. These are where you can find thousands of apps and themes that will help you with every step of your Shopify journey. If you own a brick-and-mortar store, remember to download Shopify's POS app to discover the features and capabilities offered by the various app configurations. You can also visit the Shopify Learning Center to access high-quality free training resources from proven experts. And the last thing to remember, you won't lose any of the hard work you've put into your store during the trial if you subscribe to a paid plan. Start your free trial now by clicking the link in the description of this video. Shopify free trial FAQs. Is Shopify free to use? Can I sell on Shopify for free? Do you have to pay for Shopify? Shopify is not a free or freemium platform. However, by signing up for the Shopify free trial, you'll get access to almost all of the essential features. During the free trial, you can start selling on Shopify for free. You only need to pay for Shopify when the free trial ends. How much is a Shopify account? You can create your Shopify account for free. However, as we have stated above, you will need to choose a subscription plan to start selling. If you just started your online business, the Shopify free trial is where you should begin. Do I need to enter a Shopify discount code to start my free trial? You don't need to enter any Shopify code to start your free trial. All you need to do is click this link, enter your email, password, and store name, and that's it. You can always change your store name later if you don't like it. When does the Shopify free trial start? Your Shopify free trial starts from the moment you first sign up, not when you begin working on your store. Can I sell on my Shopify trial? Can you make money with Shopify free trial? Of course, if you can sell and make money on your Shopify free trial. But you have to choose a paid plan first. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the free trial ends. A little reminder, to make money with Shopify, you need to set up your store properly first and then get customers to buy your products. Click the link in the description to start your free trial and begin selling. How much is Shopify after the free trial? Does Shopify charge after the free trial ends? When the trial ends, you must subscribe to a paid plan to continue working on your store. Here are the pricing plans after Shopify free trial. Shopify Starter $5 per month. Basic Shopify $29 per month. Shopify $79 per month. Advanced Shopify $299 per month. Shopify Plus is custom pricing. If you don't purchase a paid plan after the free trial, your store will be deactivated, and Shopify won't charge you anything. To learn more about Shopify pricing and Shopify fees, check out our guide on Shopify pricing plans. There is a Shopify Plus free trial. Shopify may have different policies depending on your business situation. For this question, you should contact Shopify's support team for more information. How to create a store with Shopify free trial. Step 1. Go to the link in the description to sign up for a Shopify free trial. Upon landing on the page, hit the Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Enter your email address, store name and password, and hit Create Your Store. Your store URL will look like this store name, myshopify.com. Don't worry if you haven't picked a catchy name yet. You can always change your store name and add a custom domain later. Step 3. After that, you may be asked some questions. You can choose to answer or skip them. They're not really important. Step 4, and that's it. You just created a store with Shopify free trial. Now you'll be redirected to your store admin, where you can set things up and start selling. Step 5, don't forget to check out Shopify's free learning resources. You may also want to check your email daily because Shopify will send you a lot of cool stuff to learn and grow. Conclusion. On the whole, I have just shown you the detailed instructions of getting a 30, 60, 90 days free trial on Shopify and much more related information in Shopify free trial. After reading these lines and the reasons that you should choose Shopify as an online business partner, I believe that you are now able to start a successful Shopify store and make the right choice in promoting your online business career.